Welcome, everybody.
It's going to be June 22nd through the 25th, 4 days in Mount Shasta, California. And of course, we have just solidified plans to confirm that Omnec Onec, the woman who was born on Venus, will be coming with her daughter and the three of us. So we're going to have a pretty solid crew there. We also have some other speakers, Brad Olson, Sasha Stone. We have quite a few other people. You can check it out on the website, thepromiserevealed.net. Anja will be selling your tickets. So if you're going to be getting tickets to this event, if you want to think about it, plan for it, when it's time, please contact Anja.
Well, we're just honored to be in her presence and to enjoy the revelations and information, enlightenment and uplifting encouragement that she's going to bring.
We want to invite you to participate, to make use of this unique opportunity of really it's going to be a high frequency. I mean, it's Mount Shasta. We, as the Venusian contactees, so the ground crew here, we have really went through lots of consciousness expanding experiences, and we have been working in this field for decades, all of us. So it's going to be mind-blowing. I think it's going to be ascending. It's going to open our hearts. We will find soul friends and soul mates, even maybe God knows what's all possible.
This year is actually dedicated to the people who are coming. You know, I dedicated last year to Dr. Keller, and but this one is dedicated to all the people who have faced all the ridicule for their whole lives, who've been the black sheep of the family, who've been demoted, defunded, disenfranchised, looked upon as the crazy ones.
Yes, we are heading into some period of tribulation. Nothing comes easy, of course. Before there are significant changes, we'll have to go through that. But we're here on Earth to be that light to those that are lost and roaming in the darkness, and we can make the change. We can be the difference, if only to ourselves or to a few around us.
So if you ever want to meet a real Venusian and don't be afraid to ask the hard questions, and you may not get the answers you're looking for, but I'm sure you're going to find it very interesting, because she's so full of the presence of God and the spiritual understanding and the actual reality of who she is.
Our elder brothers and sisters on Venus and other planets have set a model for us to follow, where we can avoid some of the pitfalls that they went through, if we take the time to learn about it and understand it, because we're the masters of our own destiny.
You will not go home again without having had some experience or transmuting experience or some transformation, because this is really high transformative ascending frequency.
It starts with us.
It starts with us.
The Mount Shasta Summer Conference, when we all come together and maybe get our ideas and get some new ideas and new inspiration.